What's going on, guys? It's Bandit FX. Today is June 30th, 2021, and this is my Asian session analysis for pound yen. So let's take a look at the daily time frame. We got candles here trending upwards. Actually, we just had a huge rejection, and I believe this is off the 618 level. So let's take a look here. Um, yeah, perfectly off the 618 level. Huge rejection. Candle actually broke the high and closed higher than the previous bearish candle. So GJ looks like it should be heading upwards here, um, which it is actually now on the 4-hour time frame. So I'm going to get this done as quickly as I possibly can for you guys. We have a 4-hour, basically the bottom of a previous range, but not really a resistance right here. It was previously, but not in the most recent price action. We have a 4-hour resistance up here at 154.200, and our most recent support on the 4-hour time frame is down here at 152.800. So let's take a look at the 1-hour time frame. Looking a little bit to the left, we have super clean traffic to the left here on the 1-hour time frame. We do have a 1-hour support right here at 153.550, but I am going to break it down to the 30-minute time frame so we can see it a little bit clearer. Perfect. So here we are at 153.550. That is our most recent support, with our most recent resistance being at 153.730 or 725. This looks like a pretty straightforward trade, actually. If we start ranging here, we could break down to a 618 retracement on a lower time frame. But what I am looking for are buys mainly. So whether we break down first or we just continue to push up, buys are what I would actually prefer in this case. So um, let's take a look here. One, price is ranging. Let's note for buys. Buys above 153.725. Obviously, with a candle close higher. And let's note that there is clean traffic here to the left, with our first take profit being basically once this is mirrored. But I'm going to actually put one in a little bit earlier because this is the bottom of a previous range, and it has acted as support multiple times. So it may be an area of concern where price may get rejected. So this is still a pretty large range. No, actually, it's not. It's like 16 pips, but it's definitely enough. It's definitely tradable. Definitely a tradable range. Overall, this is 45 pips, so plenty of room to catch. Well over a 1-to-1 R. But let's plan out for a sell scenario now. So if we do start to come back down here and price starts ranging for a little bit during Asian session, and we don't actually get a push to London, let's just see where price can head if we come to the downside. So looking at this right here, obviously we want sells below 153.550. Let's move this up here. So this is what we're looking at for sells, with our first take profit target at 153.325. Clean traffic here to the left as well. Now, the reason that I'm not concerned about these two previous resistances acting as support is that price is pushed up so far already that if we are going to get that retracement, we're more than likely going to come down to the 618 level, which should land somewhere around the 153.325 area, or actually a little bit lower. So let's just take a look at that. Assuming that this is the high right here at 153.758, assuming that that is the high, taking a look at the, I believe, 4-hour time frame. Yeah, so the 4-hour time frame here, let's look. Actually, it's probably easier to see on the 1 hour. Yeah, the 1 hour, because we do have basically this retracement to the 618 on the 1 hour, and then the continuation up without a real pullback. It's just been a continuation the entire time. So right here, okay, so we have the 618 level just at 153 250. So just a little bit below our TP1. So if we do actually, get a sell confirmation, we shouldn't have an issue coming down to our first take profit here at 153 325. But it looks like candles are trending up right now, although they can get rejected. Um, like I said, I am more biased towards buys on this scenario right here. So let's start to draw the arrows out to mark up the chart. All right, so we got our clean candles to the left here. We're looking for our first take profit being at this wick because it is a possible resistance as well, even though it has been used as support in the most recent price action, and we still do have that clean traffic there. Price is ranging. We're looking for buys above the high here, obviously with a candle close. Sells below the low of this last swing on lower time frames. We got clean traffic to the left here for sells, and our first take profit being down here at this most recent support. So I'm gonna go ahead and stretch this out. Yeah, guys, very, very clean chart, very straightforward for GJ here. Nothing too complicated. It's not a really tricky situation. Um, Buys or sells, like I say, I like to plan for both. I will take both or either if they do happen, but yeah, guys, pretty straightforward. So if you guys like the analysis, you like the breakdown, please leave a like, leave a comment, and if you haven't already, please subscribe. I will leave my Discord link in the description if you guys want to join the Bandit FX Discord. We cover New York session analysis, London analysis, Asian analysis, and crypto analysis every single day. We do have the 6:30 a.m. New York session live streams, 6:30 a.m. Eastern time. So if you guys want to join, it's totally free, and you can invite your friends as well. It's totally okay. I believe right now we're at 360 members. Yeah, so uh, feel free to join if you guys want to, but I will see you guys next time.